Okay, and make it little bit grayish. Uh, okay, and little bit smaller. Okay, then create another table. Oh, it is the participants. We have 3 columns. So let's create another column. Just click on the plus. So it will create another column. See? So it's easy. Okay. Now what we can do? First column name is the participants. Priorities since we last meet. Priorities until we meet again. So participants. Then priorities.
Last meet. Since we last meet.
We since we meet, right?
Since we
Since we last met.
last meet, yeah.
Yeah, priorities since we last met. And then priorities
We will meet.
until
Until
we
we will meet.
until we meet.
Mhm.
Okay. Then also if we like we can put a color here. Okay, these then we can put like this. Okay, this is very light. So we can go this one. Okay, it's looking good. And then also we can make it bold. Control. You can also do some shortcuts like Control B. Okay, and it's little bit just simply here. Okay. Okay, and also make it like this. Okay. Okay, looks good. Now here, okay, we don't have multiple columns, but we can keep these
Oh,
columns like based on our participants, and we can add more participants. Okay, and then this is the another one, the important topics. So if we have some important topics, you can also bring those. So I can copy this and come here and then paste it here. Okay, it is actually this icon is not coming from here. So we can actually bring some icons also if we want. Like it depends like how decoration you want to do. Okay, so let's say insert image or emoji. You can add the emojis also. Where is their icon? Okay, we can bring this from the icons. Copy. Actually they have their HTML CSS, that's why they are getting those. So let's say if we can get the some icons from here. Then okay, let's go here and then go to the icons and search here.
we can download it from here. Means icons.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh,
Oh,
Pranta, we can't hear you. I'm not sure whether you are talking or not.
no, I'm just
Oh,
downloading. Okay, then open this. Let's say here, you can just bring it here. Okay, and just make it small.
hmm.
Okay.
Mhm. This is cute.
Okay. Give me 2 minutes, please.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, Prantu.
Hello. Okay. Okay. So now, see. So this is how we can also add the icon. Okay. So this is all, this is actually the format, like where you want, like if it is wrap text. So wrap text is means it will on the top it will the